दीपक फिनिश्ड? फिनिश करा?
नो मैम, अभी नहीं।
नेक्स्ट टॉपिक भी लिख लो, एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ मोबाइल फोन।
मैम
हम्म
हेलो
बोलो।
मैम,
बोलो
मैंने
बोलो।
रिव्यू मैम एक बार मेरा रिव्यू चेक कर लो, मैंने लिखा जैसा।
अभी
आई
मैं
एम
बाद में देखूंगी।
अटेंडिंग इंग्लिश
हम्म,
क्लास।
हम्म,
नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मैंने अभी डाला नहीं।
अच्छा
आई एम
अच्छा अच्छा
अटेंडिंग
अच्छा
अ
बताओ।
क्लास इन
हम्म,
स्पोकन मेट। माई ट्रेनर इज
हम्म,
नेहा मैम। शी इज वेरी
हम्म,
गुड इंग्लिश स्पीक।
हम्म,
नेहा मैम। आई
हम्म,
हैव अ लॉट
हम्म।
ए आई हैव सॉरी मैम, आई हैव
हम्म,
गॉट ए लॉट फॉर इंग्लिश स्पीक फ्रॉम नेहा मैम।
I have learned a lot.
मतलब
I
मैम ये
have learned a lot. ये लिखो, I have learned a lot
आई हैव
during my I have learned a lot during my course.
नहीं मैम, मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ
During
कि मैम
मतलब
नेहा मैम से मुझे बहुत कुछ। नहीं मैम, एक मिनट। मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि मैम मुझे नेहा मैम से कुछ इंग्लिश में बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला।
हाँ तो आप क्या लिखोगे? I have learned a lot from her. I have learned a lot from Neha ma'am.
मैम आई हैव डन।
Hmm. Okay. Uh, Second topic is advantages and disadvantages of mobile phone.
ओके मैम, पहला
मोबाइल
कंप्यूटर वाला सुना दो।
अभी रुक जाओ, अभी सुनाना। पहले ये लिख लो। Sharmeen finished?
No, ma'am. I'll
Okay,
take.
jaldi. Okay,
Yeah.
jaldi कर लो.
Okay.
Deepak finished?
Yes, ma'am. मैम कंप्यूटर का या फिर इसका?
कंप्यूटर वाला बता.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, all of you. I am going to talk about how has computer changed your life. Computers are its grow depending and widely throughout the world. There are used to daily with many tasks. Computer has been recording us the most life changing your success interactional and solving problem in human life today. Where business in practice, there you'll find applying computers is look at education sector, healthy transportation or communication sector. We can see in finance in finance and application of computer. It's different to serve a business without affording computer. That's
Okay. Okay. And
hmm.
advantages
Good
and
morning.
disadvantages of mobile phone.
Good morning.
Dikha?
Good morning. Yes, ma'am. Good morning, all of you,
Hmm.
and good morning, ma'am. I am going to
Hmm.
talk about advantage and disadvantage of mobile phone. Mobile phone are the
Hmm.
latest inventions in technology and nowadays are being used all over the world. The medium for communication with people is a lot addition due to the hung hunch hunch used to mobile phone. However, there are both advantage and disadvantage to using a mobile phone. A
Hmm.
student can also a phone I incrementally contact their parents in case of any student emergency. Mobile phone are considered very useful and have proved their import to call security force or
Hmm.
any calls emergency. That's खत्म है, फिनिश।
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, tell me.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, all of you. Today's my topic is advantages and disadvantages of mobile phone. Advantages of mobile phone. The cell is provide the communication with friends, family, and most of the world's population. This is a communication device and also used in any place where there is a signal. These devices allow us to retrieve information quickly. It is a highly portable and affordable device. Then disadvantages of mobile cause isolation in people and wastage of valuable time. This is a addiction.
Hmm.
Addiction to mobile causes distract from works. This device increased
Hmm.
mental health disease like depression and mental disorder. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Now we start with prepositions. Okay. What
Okay,
is
ma'am.
preposition? Yeah. What is preposition? It is a word that is placed before a noun or a pronoun. ठीक है? उसके मतलब जो word है that is used before a noun or a pronoun. For example, the book is on the table. किसके ऊपर है? टेबल के ऊपर है.
Hmm.
Okay. So that is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relationship. So preposition, likho, it is a word that is placed before a noun or a pronoun.
It is a word.
It is a word, yes, which is used before a noun or a pronoun. Noun से पहले आता है या फिर pronoun से पहले आता है. उनका relationship बताता है. To show the relationship between them.
मैं मैसेज
What?
चैट
Chat
बॉक्स
पे
में
लिखूं?
डाल दो मैम। यस
Chat पे
मैम,
लिखूं?
यस मैम।
लिख रही हूँ. It is used before a noun or a pronoun. To show relationship. Relationship बताते हैं, connect करता है. Okay, for example, the book is on the table. Second लिखो. The child is sitting beside his mother. Beside मतलब बगल में. Okay. So beside is also a preposition. Beside लिखो बगल में. Then
Okay.
since, तब से. Since, तब से. I am working in this company since 2008. Since is also a preposition. Then for. दीपक लिखते हैं. For is लिए. I have brought a gift for you. For is also a preposition. Then लिखिए among. Among means बीच में. Among. बीच में. They are talking among themselves.
AMONG.
हाँ, AMONG. Among.
Okay. That means?
Among means बीच में. बीच
Okay,
में.
okay.
Like they are talking among themselves. वो अपने में बात कर रहे हैं. They are talking among themselves means वो अपने आप में ही बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. फिर लिखो by.
What, ma'am?
by. मैं चैट पे लिख रही हूँ
Okay.
by.
Okay.
Yes, by. इसके अंदर by के अंदर दो चीजें हैं. एक तो by मतलब बगल से. He passed by the lake. एक मीनिंग है बगल से. ठीक है. सेकेंड मीनिंग है पास. द बुक इज लाइंग बाय द बेड साइड. मतलब उसके पास. बेड के पास. द बुक इज लाइंग बाय द बेड साइड. और एक बाय का मतलब होता है के द्वारा. द बुक इज रिटन बाय सो एंड सो. फिर लिखिए इन मीन्स अंदर. फिर लिखिए ऑन. फिर है अंडर.
क्या मैम?
अंडर UNDER. अंडर. द कैट इज अंडर द टेबल. The slippers are lying under the bed. Under. फिर लिखिए over. There is a sky over me. फिर लिखिए towards. फिर है below. फिर है ago means पहले. ago means पहले, कुछ साल पहले. फिर है through. 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 through means उसके बीच में से. बीच में से. The train went through the tunnel. बीच में से. अब आप इन प्रपोजिशन के सेंटेंसेस बनाएं. शर्मीन इसके सेंटेंसेस बना रहे हो?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके ओके। Sharmeen, done?
Yeah, ma'am, some words are
Okay.
yeah, ma'am, also all done.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I will start it.
Yes, yes, start.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, all of you.
Hmm.
My topic is today's preposition. What is preposition?
Hmm.
Preposition that my according it is word which
Hmm.
is used before noun or a pronoun to show relationships. Some words are
Okay.
yes. Some words are like besides, since, for, among, towards, by, in, under, over, below, above, through. The sentence
Hmm.
is besides. She sat beside him during dinner. Then,
Okay.
since yes, since we have played better. since you joined the team. 4. 4
Okay.
is used when specifying the amount of time among. He, li-
Mm-hmm.
he live among artists and writers. By
Okay.
this are there stand by lake and enjoy the environment.
Mm-hmm.
In he walked in the morning every day. Under
Okay.
the cat under the table ago.
Mm-hmm.
Some years ago I
Mm-hmm.
passed the graduation and during the job.
Mm-hmm.
Below you have done
Mm-hmm.
below the 90% marks in 12th. True.
Okay.
Yes. Through Amis works very hard because he's he's not a thinking, but
Mm-hmm.
do works and through like water, river and forest anywhere.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Towards Walden have done good work and I pray for you always towards in your life. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, in your chat, I have written write 5 words which means excellence. Okay. मतलब आपको ऐसे 5 words में लिखने हैं जो मतलब होते हैं जिनका मतलब होता है excellent. For example, amazing. Amazing.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Amazing. So you have to find out. This is your homework. Find out 5 words which mean excellent.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 5
Okay.
words ऐसे निकालने हैं जिसका मतलब होता है excellent. Let's say wonderful, amazing. Okay,
Yes,
5
yes.
words which mean excellent.
Okay.
Okay.
Then make a sentences, ma'am.
Yes, you have to make sentences out of this. Okay.
Okay.
And tomorrow we will do some pronunciation exercises. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I'll
Yeah,
find.
tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we will do pronunciation.
Okay.